Over on the tube, user Triple Tap HK says, taller toilets are horrible for bowel movements. I'm assuming he means bowel. And as anybody who has seen a Squatty Potty commercial will tell you, the body was made to potty in the squatty position. That's how your body is plumbed, right? And of course, Squatty Potty deniers will use this as an opportunity to say, well, why don't I just get a standard height toilet that's between 14.5 and 16 inches tall, instead of a chair height, comfort height, ADA height toilet that is between 17 and 19 inches tall? And in the reality, there are two answers to that question. Answer number one is, for the majority of the population, the difference between these two toilets, though seemingly slight, is huge when it comes to joint pain and things like that related from sitting down and standing up, especially as we get older. But another almost as important point is this size is becoming more standard, and this size is becoming harder and harder to find. So the winning combo seems to be Squatty Potty with an ADA or a comfort height toilet.